Hey there, Turbo Trendz TV fam. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the hottest, most exciting rides on the road today. And oh boy, have we got a powerhouse to review for you. Imagine luxury, power, and off-road dominance all packed into one iconic vehicle. Yep, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, an SUV that's built to turn heads and dominate any terrain it encounters. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's get rolling. Exterior. Alright, let's kick things off with the first look at this beast. The 2025 AMG G63 is unmistakable on the road. That boxy, squared-off silhouette has remained true to its roots, and yet, Mercedes has managed to keep it fresh and modern. The front is pure aggression, with its vertical slatted Panamericana grille framed by that bold, angular design. The circular LED headlights give a nod to its heritage, but they're packed with modern tech, throwing light far and wide to illuminate any road or trail. And let's not forget the massive AMG badge proudly displayed in the grille, as if to remind everyone that this isn't just any G-Class, it's the king of the lineup. Move to the side, and the G63 continues to impress. The squared-off shape is pure utility, but those wide wheel arches and 22-inch forged wheels add a dose of athleticism. The side exit exhaust pipes, unique to the AMG variant, aren't just functional, they're a statement. They deliver a growl so ferocious that you'll feel it in your chest every time you step on the gas. And speaking of presence, the chunky door handles, exposed hinges, and signature clamshell doors remind you that this SUV is as rugged as it is luxurious. The side profile screams purpose, but it's those fun AMG details like the badging and optional two-tone paint that elevate it to a whole new level. Now, swing around to the back, and the G63 continues to assert its dominance. The rear-mounted spare tire, encased in stainless steel, is a hallmark feature that's as functional as it is stylish. The tailgate opens with a solid, reassuring weight that screams quality engineering. The LED taillights are sleek and modern, adding just a touch of elegance to the rugged rear design. And then there's the subtle AMG branding on the spare tire cover, a reminder that this isn't your average luxury SUV. Everything about the exterior, from the flared fenders to the aggressive stance, tells you this vehicle means business, whether you're cruising through the city or blazing a trail through the wilderness. Interior. Step inside, and the G63 continues to wow. The interior is a blend of ultra-modern luxury and timeless G-Class character. You're greeted by plush Napa leather seats, complete with AMG badging and intricate stitching. These aren't just seats, they're thrones, offering heating, ventilation, and a massage function to keep you comfortable no matter where you're headed. The dashboard is dominated by dual 12.3-inch displays, seamlessly integrated to provide both your instrument cluster and infotainment system. Mercedes' MBUX system is as intuitive as ever, offering voice commands and touch functionality. Whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails, all the information you need is right at your fingertips. The materials throughout the cabin are top-notch. Brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and open-pore wood trim options create a space that feels bespoke. The iconic grab handle on the passenger side remains, a subtle nod to the G-Wagon's off-road heritage. And let's talk about that steering wheel. It's a masterpiece, wrapped in leather or Alcantara, with the flat bottom and AMG-specific controls that make you feel like you're in command of something truly special. The Burmester surround sound system ensures that every note of your favorite playlist comes through crystal clear, while ambient lighting with 64 customizable colors sets the mood for any drive. Rear passengers aren't left out, either. The second row offers plenty of legroom, heated seats, and optional entertainment screens to keep everyone happy. Cargo space is ample, with a flat load floor that makes it easy to haul just about anything. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a grocery run, the G63's interior is as practical as it is luxurious. Performance under the hood. The 2025 AMG G63 is an absolute monster. Powering this beast is a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that cranks out an eye-watering 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a 9-speed AMG SpeedShift TCT automatic transmission that delivers seamless shifts and keeps the power flowing smoothly to all four wheels. The G63 isn't just fast for an SUV, it's fast. Period. It can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, an impressive feat for something that weighs over 5,600 pounds. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The AMG-tuned suspension and adaptive damping system ensure that a G63 handles like a much smaller vehicle. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or tackling rugged trails, this SUV feels planted and composed. The all-wheel drive system is rear-biased, giving it a sportier feel on the road, but it's also fully capable off-road, with 3 locking differentials and a low-range transfer case. This is a vehicle that's just as comfortable scaling rocky inclines as it is cruising down the highway. Of course, all this performance and luxury doesn't come cheap. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 starts at around $180,000, but with options like the exclusive interior package or the AMG Night package, it's easy to push that price well over $200,000. It's a serious investment, but for those who can afford it, the G63 offers an unmatched combination of capability, luxury, and performance. So, what's the final verdict? The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is a masterclass in blending old-school ruggedness with cutting-edge technology and luxury. It's a vehicle that doesn't compromise, delivering everything you'd expect from a high-performance SUV and then some. Whether you're a collector, an off-road enthusiast, or just someone who loves to make a statement, the G63 is a vehicle that's impossible to ignore. That's a wrap for today's review. If you've enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this beast. Would you take it for a spin? Or do you have your eye on another ride? Thanks for tuning into Trendz TV, and as always, keep your engines revving. See you in the next one.